Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbird143. In this tutorial, I will show how to add our favorite image as Windows desktop wallpaper using batch file in Windows 7. I want to add this photo as my desktop wallpaper. Come to Start, open Notepad and please type the following code. Of reset H key, current user, control panel, desktop, /v, wallpaper, /t, res underscore sjet, /d, space. Here we need to add the path of our image. I have copied my image in documents. Please copy this path, paste it here, and please type the file name angels.bmp. Make sure that your image must be in .bmp format, space /f, and type run dll32.exe user 32.dll comma update per user system parameters. Here I want to add pass to our status of processing the batch file. In this code, /v denotes the value name under the selected key to add. /t denotes the registry key data types, that is binary value, dword 32-bit value, string value, multi-string values, and expandable string values. Here I have selected string value, and /d denotes the data to assign to the registry value name being added, and /f denotes the force overwriting the existing registry entry without prompt. After this, come to file and please save the file with bat extension. Select the destination for your bat file. Here I am selecting desktop. Save. Now minimize this. Come to desktop, run the bat file. Here it is showing the operation completed successfully. Press any key to continue. After this, please log off your system. Again log in back. Now we will get our favorite picture as our Windows desktop wallpaper. Like this, we can add or set our favorite image as Windows desktop wallpaper using batch file in Windows 7. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.